Hello my dear friends, welcome to Learn SAP FIC. Friends, today we are going to continue the same topic, that is configuration step involving in CU. Today we will do the next step, that is maintain versions under the T code OKEQ. Before starting, I request you all, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and share the videos with your friends. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all my coming videos. Let's start. Next step, that is maintain versions. Friends, the question is in your mind, what is maintain versions? So versions is a template where we input the planning data. We can create one or more than one versions as per business requirement. As per business requirement, we can create more than one template, or you can say more than one version to input the planning data. In this, planning data is used to compare with actual figures, and we identify the variations of a planning. Basically, planning is done by the planning team, but I am discussing you as a consultant, you should know these steps. So in this step, we activate the zero version for planning and actual data. So the T code is OKEQ is used to maintain versions. So let's go to SAP screen and we'll do the practical. Here you can run the T code directly, OKEQ, or the path is SPRO. Click on SAP Reference IMG tab. Then click on Controlling, General Controlling, Organization, and here you will find the third one is Maintain Version. So click on this third one to execute it. Now, here you can see this zero version. This zero version is a standard version or actual version, or you can say is a planning version which is given by SAP. It is used to plan and to compare with the actual figures. So select this standard version and just click on this settings for each fiscal year. Click on it. Here you have to give your controlling area for which you want to plan your data. So give your fiscal year, give your controlling area. Our controlling area is Tata. And then click on continue. So here you can see your 2022-2024 system has generated your versions for 2022-2024. And after 2024, if you want to create, so you can just copy this version and click on copy as. And here you can change the fiscal year. And just enter. So like this you can create a new version. So if you have not created for your coming year, for your fiscal year like 2025, then system will show you error. So it is a year and activity which you need to perform. You can perform at a one time more than one versions also. So like you can create on a single time for 2025, 2026, 2027. So it will help you. So you no need to create again and again. So this version is used to maintain the planning data or to compare the planning data with the actual data. And just click on save. Continue. Now at the bottom you will get the message data was saved.